Oh, yeah.
I love fireworks.
Our neighbors have got some serious firepower.
What is that whole boom?
Somebody in the cul-de-sacs got some
Fireworks. Fireworks. The fireworks. Whoa! I didn't even see that one.
Yeah. Definitely not the kinds you buy in a parking lot stand.
Don't see. Oh, they just shoot at theirs.
Look.
Boom!
Yeah.
When they shoot at theirs.
I know. It's gonna be like this for a while, Bug.
A long time.
We're just getting started, you can tell.
Ooh, I love that.
Oh, come on, focus.
I love how. How do they explode when they touch the sky?
Here comes another one.
Anyway, we're seeing some on TV. Now there's actual real ones.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
I know.
Pretty loud, right?
Yeah, I didn't know they were that loud. If I was outside, though.
Good job, though. You're not getting a lot of it's good.
Yeah.
Louder when you're outside, but not too much.
Mama, are they done?
Oh no.
Way more?
Yeah, it's gonna be going on for a long time. I can
Like
tell.
almost a night.
Yeah. It's gonna go on for a while.
They're just getting some more. Oh, I just saw a little sprinkle.
Here we go.
Whoa, that was several.
Yeah.
3 of them at the same. Whoa.
Nobody's sleeping tonight, Boo Boo.
No one's sleeping? Why is no one sleeping?
I'm just saying that because it's gonna be kind of loud. Wow.
Can we just stay here and look at the whole, like this for the whole night? Wow.